Good evening, all of you. My name is Divyani, and I am student of IM Public School in Fatehgarh. When I was in fourth class, that time I joined GBI, and joining GBI is just like a pleasure for me. And I think that when I was in GBI, that time I was just a person starts from zero, but I start from the negative, and from negative to coming from the positive accept is just because of Sahai sir and Great Britain Institute, and because of Great Britain Institute. And learning English is just not thing that you are forgetting about your own language. In your life, there are three things that you should always learn. First thing is that you should learn English, because in wherever place you are just going, you know that you can speak English, you can conversate with any of the person. Second one is your national language, which you should know because you are a person of your country. And the third one is your local language, because from my life experience till now, I have experienced that everywhere you are not getting a person who just speaks English, because everyone has not joined the GBI. So I would like to say that these three languages are so important for your life. But English is just not a most tough thing which is we are having right now. Just like joining GBI is making me the person who just can speak English, who can just know English, who can get the every and each thing in English. When I was in fourth class, before joining GBI, I was like, why I have to go GBI? I will learn it from APS. Being in a APS student is a good thing, that okay, you are just knowing what is your English language, but being in APS will just give you the basic knowledge in English. But in GBI, when you are coming, so it will just give you a each and every brief knowledge for English. And in GBI, every person is just of different ages. There is no age restrictions. Means if you can understand that a child cannot come here, but from a limit of the age, a person to a young age to the old age can come here and join GBI at wherever time, because there is a very the sentence popular sentence that is, the limit of age is never being there for learning anything. And for learning English, I was like, English is just so tough, I cannot do that being in India. Yeah, I was just like that being in India. Learning English just is the most tough aspect of my life. But GBI has just proved me wrong. It has told me that okay, if you are living anywhere in the whole country, GBI will be the basic behind me, that to learn me, to make me the powerful person in the whole world. Because in GBI, I was a student. Until now I am a student, being a senior student. But whenever I will come in GBI, so this person who is sitting in front of me will be always the best person in my life to make me the success and to give me the success. Thank you.